Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for joining. Today we are going to be doing a breakdown for Worthy of My Praise by Duntin Oyekan featuring Lawrence Oyo. And before we get right into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, um, please do so. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive every update I drop or any amazing content. So basically, we'll be getting right into the video, and we are working on the key of B flat. So we'll start from the intro, and the intro goes like this. Very simple. So the melody, then you have your la do la. So if you want to play it in more extended way, you can. So I'm doing. Then I have. So you have your La, which is G, D, and B flat. Then your 1, which is B flat, F, and I'm also stacking C and D together. So, and then this part of the song that we had this movement. So let me do it again. The bounce goes. So let me break that down. So the melody is, because of time, I'll just play the melody very slow so we can pick the notes. So you have. So I go again. So and then the chords that go in with this melody is your 4, right? Then your 3/1, then another inversion of your 1. I think this is the first inversion, yeah. So mi, so, and so do. So then we have this 2/5/1, which is your C dominant 7, C, E, G, and B flat. So sometimes I can just omit the E instead. So this is your F dominant 7, where you have F, C, and E flat. So this is a 2/5/1 progression, and I want us to go into this progression a little in this lesson. You know, this most times the 2/5/1 can be used to bring the song back to the bass. You understand, like back to the 1. So you have. So you can use this progression, this, to end a lot of songs or to bring the song down to the one instead of just maybe one five then one. You can do the turnover. All the same. You get so. So let's pick one. Let's pick a song. Um okay, let's say you worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer. You are worthy to be praised. Yes. Now, you understand? So, and also, this particular movement can be used depending on the kind of on the melody you're on. So you have if you have a song that is if you have a song that is so let's go with melodies that have this. So the chord you can play for this is on your right hand. You have your E, G, B flat, and D. So you have this cross from B to D. So you have your 5 dominant 7 on your right hand. You have your E flat, F sharp, and C. So more like an half diminished than 1. So you are worthy to be praised. So let's think of another worship song. A lot of worship song that has to go from your 5 to your 1. Instead of just going 5 then 1, you can do 2 5 1. So that was what happened in the Worthy of My Praise, where we have instead of just doing maybe 6 4 or anything else, they had to do. So you are the pillar that holds my life. You are the pillar that holds my life. Master Jesus, you can see it. You are the pillar that. So you are the pillar that holds my life. That holds my life. Master Jesus, you are the Jesus. You get so before we close for today, there was this movement they did in the song. I'm just going to spell out the notes because of time. So we had this note. So when the song was going in, I can't remember that part actually, but then they had this movement where they did. So in case you're scoring this song, I think spelling out this movement can help. So you can you can put it there. So don't forget that you have to, anytime you are going to your one for most slow worship songs, you can do this 2-5-1. Thank you all for watching. Um, please, to remind again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you have a song you want me to break down, you can drop that in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. God bless you.